name is Khaled Kamel. I'm the Regional Director of Services at EMT Distribution. This year we are participating in GISEC as a gold sponsor. We also have a keynote on upskilling platforms and education at the main stage. We run presentations at the CI stage as well as the industry focus stage. We have secured kiosks in 3 different locations at GISEC. Those are available for visitors to do a free scan and sanitize their USB and see the solution in action and experience it. We have on our stand Progress Software. We have Cyberbit as a strategic partner, as well as SecureG, CoreView, and PlexTrack. We focus on technologies like NDR, network monitoring, GRC, Microsoft 365 management and security, penetration testing, reporting and aggregation, CDR, multi-antivirus scanning, MFT, upskilling platform, and cybersecurity training. We're also running workshops on generative AI in cybersecurity and certified training on certified IoT security practitioner. We also conduct, for the very first time in GISEC, an interactive cyber escape room. And all of this we're doing in collaboration with GISEC, and of course, we have the support of the Cyber Security Council, DESC, Dubai Electronic Security Center, Dubai Police, Ministry of Interior, and so on. We look forward to seeing all of our partners and customers this year at GISEC.